Welcome back, Hot Wheel Collectors and Diecast with these to another episode of Crib's Garage. Continuing on with our collector number series. We left off with 374, the Radio Flyer Wagon from the 1996 first editions, and that was number 9 of 12. This here is collector number 375, the Dogfighter, and it is also part of the 1996 first editions. This is number 10 of 12, and it's just kind of an airplane without wings, and added some 5-spoked wheels. Nice shade of red. Spectre Flame paint. And just another fantasy car in this collector series. A lot of first editions, 1996. Number 376 was the Twang Thing. And that was 11 of the 12 that I don't have. I have it in a later number. It's kind of a weird fantasy car. You'll see it. Here's collector number 377. And it's a Butte. It's the Ferrari F50. Also, this is the 12th of the 12 1996 first editions. And it is a beauty. And Ferrari red with the black interior, and those spokes that I think they look great on lowriders, but not most castings, but it does look good. Looks great on this Ferrari here, in my opinion. And it's got the black interior, as I mentioned, Hot Wheel logo there, and a gray plastic base. Okay, so collector 378 is a 1996 Mustang GT, and that was number 1 of the 12, which I do not have. It was a convertible. Collector 379 does not exist, and here we are to collector number 380, and this is a Dodge Ram, and I believe this was probably right around the time of Dale Jr. Looks like his delivery that he would have on his car, number 4. And it's got the Goodyear tires with the yellow print on it, red interior, red plastic base. That was part of the race truck series. There was 4. There's a collector number 381 was a Kentworth T600A. That was number 2. Collector number 382 was a Dodge Charger Daytona. That was number 3. And then collector number 382 was a 56 Flash Cider. And oh wait, did I ahead of myself? Yes, I am. Okay, so collector 382 is a 56 Flash Cider for the race truck series. I do not have that. I also do not have the Nissan truck. So now we are on collector number 384. Which is this 57 T-Bird, and lots of castings to this one. I think if you go back, if you want to look at the 57 T-Bird video I put out, you can almost see that there was a portal hole right there. There's a circle there that they filled up on the later cars. So this one has the 7 spokes, the flaming tampos, got chrome interior to match the chrome base. Number 2 in this series was a hydroplane, and that was collector number 385. I don't have that one. However, I do have collector number 386, this Range Rover here. and that is number 3. Got tan interior. Of course, the flame tampos, the construction tires, the Hot Wheel logo in the rear windshield. Pretty nice casting. Got the rear view mirror, or side mirrors, or yeah, mirrors, I guess. I don't know. Anyhow, chrome base. And the last one, number 4 of 4 in the Flames Thrower series, is collector number 387, the Oshkosh Snowplow. And this one's badass in this all black with the flames. Big old scoop. Looks like a pretty scary thing. See that coming down the road, plowing your snow. And yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Big casting. Alright, let's see. So then, here's a series, and I got a feeling, I don't know why I don't have them, but Collector 388 was a Raider Ranger from the Space Series. Collector 389 was a General Motors Lean Machine from the Space Series. Collector 390 is Alien from the Space Series. And Collector 391 was the Treadador from the Space Series. And I don't appear to have any of those. So moving on to the Race Team Series. Race Team Series 2 is collector number 392, and that's this ramp truck here with the 5-spoke wheels, the Hot Wheel blue paint job, and pretty neat little ramp truck. Not sure what's going on with that part of the windshield there. Almost looks like water or something outside of it. Anyway. So number 2 in these Racing Team Series 2 is collector number 393, the Baja Bug. Also in that Hot Wheel blue. And you got the racing deliveries, Hot Wheel logos all around. The 5-spoked wheels, big ones in the back, little in the front. White interior, and a nice metal base. Number 3 in the Race Team Series 2 is collector number 394, the 57 Chevy. And something interesting about this, I think I've mentioned it before, but I'm going to go ahead and throw it out there to you guys. If you notice this VUAY there, I would suggest Googling it, and I can't remember what it meant, but take a look at it. It's kind of interesting. So VUAY, take a look. And do your own research there and see if you find something interesting. The 4th one was a Bywayman, collector 395, which I don't have in that series. So basically was a, I don't know if you're familiar with the Bywayman, it's just a pickup truck, 4-wheel pickup truck, but it would have had the blue Hot Wheel delivery to it. Collector 396. This is the Mod Bod series, a whole new series, and we're still in 1996 with these castings. Is this Humvee, and it's interesting because it's the opposite direction of the military Humvee. It's got the peace and love and whole hippie delivery on it. Hot pink, something like very Barbie. Purple base, interesting. Maybe it has purple interior. I do not have Collector 397, which is School Bus, which is the second of the Mod Bod series. I do have the third one, and that's Collector 398, this Volkswagen Bug here with the 7-spoke wheels and the kind of universe tampos. And one of my favorite castings of this series is number 4, Collector 399, the 67 Camaro. This casting's been around for a while and should be, it's probably a favorite. The hood comes up and I mean, pretty ugly paint job and red interior, and 5-spoke wheels I think look good on there. And great casting, just an ugly paint job, but that was part of the Mod Bod series. Collector number 400 is the Big Chill, which is that kind of snow plow thing with the skis in the front. Collector 401 is the Dark Rider series, which is a street beast. And 402 is the Thunder Streak, which is like an Indy car. And I don't have neither of those. Or Collector 403, which is the Power Pistons. So don't have any of those. So we're moving on to the sports car series. And number 2 in that series is a custom convertible. And it's Collector number 405. Did I miss? Yeah, yes, I did. Collector number 404, number 1 of the sports car series, is this Porsche 930. And, you know, when they say sports car, they're talking about the sports tampos on these 4 cars. So this is kind of a, I wouldn't say it's Zamac, I would say it's more of a metal flake silver paint job with these 7-spoke wheels, metal base. So 405 was the custom convertible Corvette, and it was purple with some kind of sports thing on there. This is number 406, Collector 406, and this is the Shelby Cobra 427 SE with the soccer tampos on it. Pretty neat looking car. It was just maybe blue with white stripes on it. 7-spoke wheels. I'm sure they released it like that somewhere. Oh. What I didn't know was it actually has an opening hood. So pretty neat casting. I wonder if it came out in the regular blue with the white hump stripes on it. Be interesting to find out. All right. Collector 407 was a 59 Caddy with the sports delivery on it. Collector 408. Now we're going into the splatter paint series. Collector 408 is this Dayglow orange Rescue Ranger. It's funny because it kind of looks like the color of cheddar cheese in this camera, but it's actually more of a Dayglow orange with the splatter on it. 5-spoked wheels, orange plastic base. The second one in that series, Collector 409, is the Probe funny car, one of my least favorite funny cars. This one's got white with some splattered paint on it. 5-spoke wheels. And it does have, of course, the lifting thing, all metal. And the third one in this series is Collector 410, another nice 55 Chevy. Yellow with the red splattered paint and the red plastic base. Appears to have a red tinted windows all the way around. And yeah, the red plastic base. There's some pretty ugly cars in this collector number series. Okay, Collector 411. Now that was a 80s Camaro, which I do not have. Collector 412 is a speed machine, and it was part of the Street Eater series. I don't have Collector 412, but I do have Collector number 413, which is this silhouette, and it was number 2 of that series. That really nice purple I like, and looks like it's just got some kind of a monster tampo on there. Orange canopy, tinted canopy, 5-spoke wheels, and a kind of a red base. It's number 3 in that series. This Collector 414. This is Chopper here, which is pretty funny. For some reason, I thought it was pretty cool, even though I don't collect stuff like this typically. But I think just the teeth on it made it look cool. Anyhow, there's your Chopper. By the way, I think this thing comes out like that. And then these things, you know, of course, can spin around however you want them. But anyway, there's that. Number 4, Collector 415, the Roll Patrol. This one also has a weird looking tampo on it. So they all have like these mouth eating, that being the called the Street Eaters. A helicopter is a Street Eater, I don't know. But interesting one here. Got kind of an orange interior. Got this kind of gorilla on the hood there, and the interesting yellow, I guess, snowblade wheels. I'm not sure what those ones are called, but it has a orange metal base. Sorry, my volume of my talking is going up and down. I'm trying to be louder. Let's see where we're at. I think that's it, because we are hitting the 20-minute mark, so let's put this guy back out there. And I just want to thank you guys. Hope you're enjoying your Sunday, and we'll continue on and get through these collection numbers. At some point we'll be done, and maybe I'll take a break and do something else in between. And hope you guys enjoy your Sunday and have a great week, and talk to you soon.